Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. There are 3 screws securing the bottom of the glove box. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the 5 screws securing the top of the glove box assembly. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1188 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the sensor. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Open the glove box. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.